Hello guys, how are you? Let's go for the fifth lesson. I have two announcements before we begin. First, the content of each video now is posted in the description, so you can copy and paste it into your own file. Make it more convenient to revise. Second, from today's class, in the end of the video, I will leave some exercise for you. It will be basically some sentences in English for you to translate into Chinese or Chinese into English. If you want, you can write your translation in the comment section using Chinese characters or pinyin. The tones can be written using number 1 to 4 after each syllable. I will post the correct answer in the next lesson. Very well, let's go for today's sentences. The first sentence in pinyin is the first word 小 for small and 马 for horse. We've known them in previous lessons as bonus characters. With me. 小马. Keep in mind that 小 here is read as the second tone because we have two third tones together. 小马. 小马. What does small horse want to express here? 马 not only mean horse, it's also a Chinese surname. And 小 here is used to refer to someone young. 小马 would be like the young ma, a young person whose surname is ma. The next word, shuo, the first tone, means to speak. With me. 说. The tongue slightly touches the upper jaw. 说. Then we have Chinese. Read with me. 汉语. 汉语. Yu here is another representation of yu, yu with two dots. This sentence means, does young Ma speak Chinese? With me. 小马说汉语吗？小马说汉语吗？ Let's go for the characters. 3 of them we already know. 小 for small, 马 for horse, which here is the surname of the person, and ma, the interrogative particle. Now the new characters. In order of complexity, let's see Han first. What do we have on the left side? It's the meaning component for water. Looks like 3 drops of water. Why water? Because Han was once a name of a river. Now it is used to represent the Han ethnic group, which takes up more than 90% of Chinese population. And it also means the Chinese language. The meaning it represents in this sentence. And what is that on the right side? It's the hand we've seen in the third lesson that used to simplify the complex part of old characters. In the case of Han, this hand, which is only 2 strokes, replaced the older part which had 11 strokes. Very well. Next, let's go for 语. The character 语 means language. We will see it in the language names, like English, Portuguese, French, whatever. In the case of 汉语, it's the Han language, that is Chinese. What are its components? On the left side, we have the meaning component for speech. It makes sense as the character means language. What about the sound component on the right side? It's a character that we don't use anymore, but its composition is very simple. A number 5 and a mouth down below. If a Chinese forget how to write the character yu, which happens, and then ask others how to write it, the answer could be a component of speech on the left side and a 5 and a mouth on the right side. FYI, I've wrote down the characters and pinyin of number 1 to 10 in the description, and we'll read all of them in the end of the video. Those numbers are all very easy characters and cannot be separated anymore. Okay, great. Let's go for the last character in this sentence. 说. What do we have on the left side? The meaning component for speech, the same one as 语. What about the sound component? Unfortunately, it is an advanced level character. We don't need it right now, but its formation is simple. The two short strokes in the upper part is the component representing the number 8. Look at the character 8. Again, the numbers are in the description. Maybe it's a good time to get to know them. Under 8, what do we have? Mouth. And below it is the character R, which look like 2 legs. And we saw it in the last video, appearing in the words son, 儿子, and daughter, 女儿. When we encounter some character parts that make no sense, it usually is the sound part. In this case, imagination can help us as well. For me, the sound component of 说 is a TV set on a tripod with antennas above. Just use your imagination as you like. Okay, now, the whole sentence with me, focusing on the characters. 小马说汉语吗？小马说汉语吗？ Let's go for the next sentence in pinyin. Great, only one new word. Bu in the fourth tone means no. With me. 不 不 So, the young Ma doesn't speak. Here, because it has been mentioned before, so the sentence omit the object. Read with me. 小马不说。小马不说。Let's go for the characters. The new character here is 不. It's a simple character and cannot be separated anymore. This character used to mean a flower's calyx, and it really looks like one, doesn't it? There is even one stroke on each side, which maybe is thorns or leaves. But now it has lost its concrete meaning and just means the negative adverb no, nothing else. The whole sentence in characters. 小马不说。小马不说。And finally, the last sentence. There are no new words here. The sentence means his mother speaks Chinese. Pay attention on how to say his mother in Mandarin. You just need to say the pronoun he, then the word mother. Then we have his mother. In the same manner, how to say my mother. Use I and mother. Then you have 我妈妈. What about your mother? You and mother. 你妈妈. This is the way we express the relationship among family members. Let's see the characters. See the first character. It is 他 for he. So the young ma is a male. Okay, with me. 他妈妈说汉语。他妈妈说汉语。Now, let's read all the sentences we have today. 小马说汉语吗？小马不说。他妈妈说汉语。At last, the number 1 to 10. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Now on the screen is the exercise. Translate these sentences. They're all made of words we've learned in the past 5 lessons. Leave your answers in the comment, and we'll see if they're right. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.